I used Wondershare Filmora 12 for this amazing award ceremony packs. On your Filmora 12, go to the Effects tab and search for award ceremony packs. So you will get a lot of effects to choose from. These are transparent videos, so you can superimpose these over your original videos. You also get some party effects you can use in your videos. For the demonstration, I have downloaded some stock media, so let's start with this one. Let's go to the effects tab again and browse through the downloads I have made. So this one might actually fit. Let's do some adjustments. So that's how it works. There I have another video, and let's try this shiny golden pack. So that's how it looks. This is how you can make this kind of videos for your birthday parties, office parties, any award ceremony, your child's graduation party maybe. You can adjust the duration of the effects from here. This effect is called Festival Party Effect Overlay. Perfect for your birthday parties. There is another one you can try. Now, apart from the Effects tab, if you go to the titles and search for awards, you will get numerous titles, intros, amazing effects for your awards ceremony occasions. Wedding videographers can use these effects on their professional videos. So this is the beauty of Filmora 12. You get so many preloaded options, themes, templates, and you don't need any professional training or don't have to spend hours of time making your intros, outros, your video effects. I mean, all of these are so amazing. You can also create your video credits using these templates. This one comes with a very beautiful title animation, so let's try to use this. You can click on the text to edit. Let's find some music as well from the audio library. So let's search for awards as well for the similar theme song. So here it is. Let me show you a few more title examples like this one. Nicely going with this video. This one is for introducing multiple people or nominations. Here is another one, very, very beautiful. This one is quite nice. Here are a few more awesome examples. Once again, you can edit the text, move it anywhere, resize it. So that's all in this video. Download Filmora 12 using the link in the description below or simply search on Google. This is Shukesh signing off. Thanks a lot for watching.